close to get into it. Won't you dance with me?
Guys, what's up? Today's video is me making coffee, and I'm just gonna skip out on this intro. This is a legendary recipe. I'm gonna see you in the kitchen and we're gonna make that coffee. Okay guys, so we are now in the kitchen. The kitchen is where the magic happens. This is where we make our coffees. So I've already got my cup ready to make you some coffee. And yeah, I'm gonna go grab all the ingredients. Guys, so now I'm making my coffee for you. We're just gonna watch the process of the coffee, like, doing its thing. And yeah, it's about all I have to say. Ready? So what we do is we have our cup, which I've already made a coffee in just before. And then we click this button right here. This one half fills the cup and then... Ooh. So easy. It is on full strength, people. Are you ready? That's it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Do this for me. Ooh, she is good. This is my kitchen. Okay, it's not my kitchen. It's my family's kitchen, but you get the point. Now we are close to our coffee. We need some ice. We're gonna put some ice in our situation. Oh, no, thank you. Jeez, scared me. Okay, perfect. So now we've got our half a cup of hot brewed deliciousness. We're going to pour it into our cup. Ready? It is just some pure coffee here. Pure black coffee. I hate black coffee. Don't judge, but it should be filled up about this much and the ice will cool it down straight away. No longer boiling hot coffee. So now we're going to put some of our cold, full cream milk into our coffee. Ready guys, this is like magic. Oh, magical. Such a pretty sight. Now it's not very sweet, so we grab, where's our half a measuring cup? Half a cup, and then we're gonna make it half a cup of our syrup. Our special syrup is a combination of water with equal parts caster sugar. Then we boil it over the stove. Then we stir it around while we're boiling it. After this, we add a little bit of whatever flavor we want. Vanilla, chai, coconut, whatever you want. I chose chai, of course, because I love chai. So now we are adding in our half a cup, and then we add a little bit more afterwards. Half a cup. Guys, I'm now editing, and I'm so sorry. Like, you actually can't see what I'm doing. And half a cup. And then we grab 2 pink straws because pink is my favorite color. And we are going to stir that in. So syrup mixes with the brew and the brew mixes with the milk, and it's just messing it up. So what, you know? For me personally, needs a tiny bit more syrup. Ready for breakfast. Done. Skirt. Jokes, we're gonna actually save this for my Wednesday coffee. No, Friday coffee. Friday's the last day of the week. We need something to get us through it. I say my Wednesday coffee when I say I'm saving it for another day. And it is Wednesday. Why? So now I'm going to take the straws out because this is my Friday coffee. And what I do pretty much is I wrap the cling wrap around the coffee like this. Basically. Then they meet again. So pull it quite tight so they stretch a little bit because cling wrap is stretchy. You need to see this process. Well, it's about time you realised. So we've got our stuff and we're going to tie the cling wrap like this just so it's nice and secure and it will definitely stay there. Then you can just poke a straw through it on the day you want to have coffee. Thank you. Wait. Thank you all so much. No. Guys, yes, I do not. It's not naturally lit up in here. Sorry. I'm all good. Great. Whisk. Whoop. Got it. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below, give it a big thumbs up, tell me what you thought. Hopefully you use this recipe because it is delicious. We have our Wednesday and our Thursday coffees. Cheers. Delicious. These things are amazing. I would highly recommend you try out the recipe. You will never regret it. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. Get a big thumbs up as I've already said. Bye. Love you. Oh. That hurts your throat. No, I give up.